Fergus here. We're going to run now down from the dam here. I forget the name of it. I'll put it down on the bottom here. We're going to run this down to the dam in Elora there. So we'll see how the trip goes, and if we have enough time, maybe we'll make a part 3 and we'll run the gorge. But I have other videos if you want to check those out. I'll leave those down in the description too. Going to the Elora Gorge, and we'll see you on the water. Thanks. This is fun, eh? Can you get closer? Yeah, we'll get closer. I gotta say, this is a beautiful launch point so far anyways. You see all the beautiful rocks around, the cool buildings. And there should be some fun water up ahead. We'll see what we get into, eh? But, see you on the rapids. You can really see it lifting here too. Beautiful view at the falls, or the water coming in on the side there. Beautiful day to be out. Oh, look at that rapid right there. Let's hit that. Let's hit that.
We're gonna die.
We're not gonna die. Might get stuck. Not gonna die though. Woo! Oh, here's another drop here.
We're gonna die.
Go right for the drop.
Forward. We're gonna die today.
There we go. Oh, and another drop. Another drop.
We're gonna die today. Look at that drop.
Yeah, we should have hit that one too, but we don't want to get too sideways.
Look at that drop.
Yeah.
Over.
There you go. There you go. Good enough there, bud?
This is fun.
This is fun, eh?
I gotta think of what I want my channel to be if I do make a channel. Because yes.
Okay, so before that footbridge, we're gonna have to get out in Portage up here by the geese.
You got it.
Because there's a dam, there's a 2-foot, I don't know. But right now, let's just worry about a task at hand, because we got a dam coming up here. Oh, that looks fun there. Right there. Woo! There we go. Now we gotta get over to the right here, I think. Alright, so I'm just scouting out this little falls here to see how we're gonna get over it. But looks like it'd be a lot of fun when you have there's enough water going here. But let's see. Look at this. There's one of these rocks, they look a little slippery. Definitely want my helmet to run this too. That's gorgeous. Looks a lot different from here than on the footbridge there, that's for sure. This is a lot bigger than I thought. Yeah, so if you ever try this section, just know it's one hell of a portage around that, and better get ready to pull over because that is a rough ride. Tempted to do it, but I got my kids here and I don't got my helmet, and I think the water might be too slow, and I would probably flip my boat and smack my head. But looks like a lot of fun. Maybe some other day. Let's see. But I think I might need a real whitewater boat though, not just a part-time. But maybe next time. You ready, guys? Let's make her happen. Draw it and draw. There we go.
Thank you. Bye. Oh, catch something.
It's beautiful down here.
Yeah,
There we go.
Definitely drop the ride there. I do not think that's safe. The right, I don't think.
Oh no, the right's safe. I just think this one might be a little more fun. And you might have to cross draw once we get in here, so get your paddle to the other side there and ready.
Since we had kind of quick hands, I did.
Okay, cross draw. Woo! That was fun.
I kind of some hands, so I did.
Ready, guys, turn.
That's a fun little section. You're probably gonna hit the rocks though. This is gorgeous down here. This is just amazing.
No rock climbing, wet.
Yeah, I seen it there. You got a little sideways in the water. I love the way the rocks kind of come in here. So we're gonna go straight ahead, paddle. I want to come through here. Okay, draw. Yeah, let's go right under it. Woo! Oh, draw hard. There you go. Good job. Excellent work, Aiden. Excellent work, Aiden. You got us through there good. This is a beautiful section of river.
Is that a fall?
No, that'll just be another rapid. Beautiful view here too. That's what I love about the gorge too, because when you go through the Elora Gorge, it's all, you got the rock walls, you got the rapids. It's okay. Let's hope we don't get stuck here. And once we get past these rocks, draw. Oh. Okay, draw.
Careful impact.
There we go.
Oh my god.
Yeah, now we're gonna want to run close to the rocks there. The water's gonna pile up there.
My hands smell like crayfish now.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
Don't be nervous. We're good. Get ready to cross draw in case we gotta get off that wall. There we go.
I don't think
There we go. Perfect. Run.
I know.
Okay, draw. Good job, bud. Good job.
I'm a big fan of otter. See a baby otter.
Oh yeah, there is. I hope that's getting it.
I want to catch it.
It's not baby.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's pretty small.
It's a baby river otter.
Almost lost my hat there.
Okay, right into the walls now.
Don't.
Maybe be ready to draw. There we go. Never mind. No, yeah, that's what I meant. Cross draw, but we don't need to. We're getting pushed away from there pretty good. Woo! Hell yeah! Uh-oh. That was fun. That was a lot of fun.
Let's see how crayfish we want to know.
I gotta say, this Fergus section of the Grand's actually quite a bit of fun. Quite a bit of fun. Hey, just look at this around here. Just look at the views.
Do you want to put this one up there?
Can't believe I never did this section before. You never see any videos of it. You don't hear anybody doing it. So, we're gonna stay tight to the shore or to the rocks here.
Sorry, Dad.
No problem. Usually you'd want to get out in the middle, but it looks like it's building up again up front here. But yeah, no, I wish I would have tried this a lot earlier. That's for sure. But I got another rapid coming out. Yeah, put my hat back on if the trees want to take it.
The trees want your hat.
They want to steal my hat.
They want to wear it.
My neck. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow.
You look like those cheap trees could fall at it.
Can't believe I haven't been up here before.
Dad.
What?
Water's on land.
Oh, guys, yeah, sweepers.
Otter in the bush.
You gotta be very careful with those. Some of the sweepers, they'll take you right out of your boat.
Oh, they're so cute. Otter.
Well, the worst ones will pin you under the water.
There's otters in the streams.
Okay, here's some fun.
I am Elora.
Charge through. Woo! Alright, this was the right way to go.
Jumping along the way. Dad, you can make a calm version.
We don't want to get caught up in these trees. And they'd sweep us out of the boat.
A blue-tinted white crayfish.
Yeah.
Oh, these are good. These are good because we got to get away from paddle laden. So I want to get that other tree is going to sweep us.
Blue-tinted
All right, there
white
we go.
crayfish.
This little rapids coming in here, the big rock walls,
Yes.
trees hanging over.
One for the characters on recording.
So, wow, I definitely suggest this river. Just be very, very careful when it comes to the waterfalls. Oh, that could get dangerous. That could get dangerous, but I would definitely suggest this section here, that's for sure.
Block with every color of crayfish print.
No,
Dad, this crayfish claw has all the colors the crayfish can be on.
draw and drop. Thank you, bud. Oh, we're gonna float it. This side's deeper. Boom! I'm glad I don't got a carbon fiber boat. Well, it's about 6 o'clock now. We're out of the water here. I think we put in like 1:30, 1:45 or something like that. It's a fun run from Belwood to here. Put down in the bottom the name of this dam here, I can't remember, but we're all the way down into Elora. It was a fun run. Thanks for watching and join me on the next adventure. God bless.